of March, 1995, and we're in the sleepy little town of Merced, California, at Applegate Park, and we're about to take a look at the zoo. We have little Tangier with us, and we're going to check things out there, look at the Ansomiles and whatnot. And I'm about to take the cap off the lens of the camera, and we're going to go ahead get started with our little trek through the Applegate Zoo. Here we go, folks. Oh. All right. Wave to the camera, Tanny.
Wave at the camera. Wave.
Hey.
Come on.
All right.
Come on.
Honey, we'll go this way. We'll go back to the car.
We're going to look at lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my.
Come on. Mommy paid.
There you go. All right. And there was a ticket window, folks, where we paid $1 a piece to get into the zoo. Say hello. All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Come on.
All right. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Tangier is approaching the zoo now. Uh-oh, it's about to get dangerous now. She's about to approach the zoo. Tangier is getting ready to go there. All right, we're getting there. All right, let me get in front there and we'll get everybody here. Okay, with our interview, our CBS cameras, Miss Tangier, Michelle Davis Huffman. Uh-oh, where's that coming? Oh, is that a, that can't be. Oh, there's a wolf.
A wolf?
I think he's wolfing at us, huh? Yes.
Let's go down here and
Okay.
see. They want this first? Oh, that's good. I want to see the monkey.
They're around there somewhere.
You're heavy.
Okay, folks, Tangier's still chilling at the zoo. Chilling over here with the crew, with the zoo crew. There she goes. Yeah.
See, Mama, look at the bird. See, look. The bird. See it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead, folks. Yeah, go right ahead there.
See, honey, look.
See, look at the birds, Tangier. Look at that. Is that fun or what, huh? Look at that. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that one.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Weirdo, huh? Go ahead, fellas. Go ahead. Yeah, go. Yeah, you can go ahead. Okay.
Let's go down some more.
You're going to be on totally hidden video. Okay. All right. You're going to be on America's funniest videos.
Look at the owl.
Here's a wise guy. Who?
That's
Who?
a hawk.
Was that a hawk?
Yeah.
Hawk! Hawk!
See, Danny?
Hawk! Hawk!
Ooh.
Look at that. Hey. Oh. Let's see if we can get that. Boy, is that something or what, huh? What's up with that?
Yeah, Mama?
What's up with that? You know, I didn't know this tape was this far along. It's on 53 something or other. Hopefully this is an 8-hour instead of a 6-hour one, because we're almost out of tape. I have to get a new tape.
You see? Let's go see the monkey. See this?
There's a monkey. Where's the monkey?
The monkey's neck.
Uh-huh, okay. Let me get over here, get out of everybody's way.
See that one out there?
Comes over there.
See, there's a monkey. Look at that. Get over, look for monkey.
Oh, you got it. Is that the other?
Look at that. He's having a good old time, huh?
Eating peanuts.
Monkey just chilling, that's all. Just chilling.
Monkey.
There's another one.
And there's Tangier looking at the monkeys.
Monkey.
Yes. Hey.
Monkey.
Oh yeah, with the monkeys. Oh yeah, with the monkeys. Oh yeah, with the monkeys. Hey, look at the camera, Tangy.
Him eating, Mama? He's not going to share either. He say, no way, Jose.
So that says he's a monkey, he can do that.
That's no. Can I have some? Look, Daddy, there's no monkey up there. That's a good, that's going to be good.
Yeah.
Mira, poner las piedras de perdido así de blanco.
Tangier, you're going to look at this when you get over there. Laugh. It's a monkey.
Es pan. Le dieron pan. Mira, mira.
He said that was all. Look, he's looking at me with a camera.
That's right. He knows he's being photographed. He's showing off too.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Remind me of somebody else.
Yeah. There's another monkey over there, eh? Hey, with the monkeys. Luckily, I don't know the rest of the words. Okay.
Look at him.
The monkey.
He has some in his feet, too. His toes have some red, too, Tangier. Look, he smelled it. Did you see him smell it?
Got him right on camera. Looking dead at that monkey.
Hasta ver moreno, ¿verdad?
Thank God for home video. Huh?
I should have put you on short pants, Tangier.
Okay.
Mira, ve cómo sube Juanita, qué rápido, mira.
Did you want to see something else before we run out of tape?
Here, look at the lamb. Walk. You can walk now. Walk.
Bah. Bah.
Mary had a little lamb.
thing.
See, look. Look at that one. See, look. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, those are goats, I believe. Oh, they could be. I don't know. I don't know the difference.
See that thing over there?
Where? Oh, that thing, yeah. Let's see what those things are. Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are pygmy goats. Yeah.
Remember last time that black one way up here?
I didn't put her on short pants.
Yeah, you think that would have been better?
Yeah.
Right.
I didn't realize it was this hot.
Yeah, well, with the sun. Well, outside the sun, it's kind of chilly, but with the sun, yeah, it is hot.
These are wallabies.
Wallaby what?
Wallabies.
Oh. I guess they want to be asleep, huh? Uh-oh, is that a turkey? What is it, a jive turkey or what?
I'll get this one for Thanksgiving.
Oh, yes. Nothing but a jive turkey there, yeah?
Mommy, there's a turkey. Look.
Hey. You're just a jive turkey. I'll gobble you right up.
Pretty, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, look how big that is.
Yeah, I know. That's a serious turkey, huh? Imagine trying to chop his head off for Thanksgiving, huh?
Oh, my God.
I don't think he's going to go peacefully, do you?
No, I didn't know they looked like that.
Me neither. Shit. Makes me afraid to eat the goddamn things.
Oh, Lord. You seen a turkey? Come on, let's go this way.
I never lived on a farm. I can't imagine whose job it is to kill them damn things to get them ready for Thanksgiving, huh? All right. Hey. Yeah, I'm getting hungry for a turkey sandwich over here, eh? Better not say that too loud around here. Now, those are ducks and... You know what happened,
Look
right?
at the bear.
Uh-oh. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh, my. Get up, you lazy bears.
They got it in hibernation.
Probably. Which I don't blame them.
You like that? Look at the bear.
Huh?
You like
Got a
that,
honker.
huh?
Got a
I
honker
don't
over
want to see
there.
nothing that's sleep.
You want to see it wide awake and alert. Yes. What's good for the goose is good for the gander. Okay. Wait a minute, hold on. There we go. What was that? All right. All right. What else we got? Let's see.
Come on. I smell a skunk.
Hey, I resent that. Okay.
Look at the raccoon, Mama. North American red fox. The raccoon.
Is that a fox over there?
Fox.
Hey, Foxy Mama.
No, it's a raccoon.
Oh. Where? Which one?
Right there.
Oh, is that a raccoon?
Over there's supposed to be a red fox. I don't see it though.
Might be hiding right now. You know how foxy they are.
What's in here?
Oh, look at that, a bobcat. Hi, Bob.
Right here. Look at this stuff. Where is it? Oh, look at the cat cage here.
Kitty cat. Say, here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Can you? No, you can't. Huh?
What's that?
You can't. Can you? Kind of like, yeah. Oh yeah. That way I can hold her.
There's a cat named Bob. Yeah. Hey, Bob, where's Alice? Wow. That's my good buddy named Bob.
Walk. pretty? Hey, peacock.
Go here strutting like a peacock.
Come on,
Yeah.
Shepherd feed the baby? It's a baby. Anything up to 4 or 5 is a baby to her.
Yeah.
Ooh, she's a pretty bird.
Yeah.
Shelby. Hey.
Hello. Hello. Hey.
How you doing?
All right. How y'all doing today? All right, now.
That's a good
Nothing
man.
in there?
Come on before Daddy run out of food. Oh, look at the deer.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear.
See how pretty. See?
Hello, dear. I'm home. Okay. There goes the deer. What do you think, Tammy? Huh? Okay. My sentiments exactly. Okay.
Okay, let's
All
see
right.
what's down here.
Okay.
Now that's the howling fox.
Uh-huh. There's a foxy mom. Hey. Woof. Brother Fox. Ken the Fox here. Brother Wolf. He's the guy who chased Red through the woods and ate Grandma. But a dog is a dog is a dog is a dog. Not like the wolf who
Are we
made a
looking at
widow
my baby?
out of Grandma. I know. The fox are foxy. You gotta watch them.
She don't want. I should have brought her stroll.
Yes. But we didn't know that she would take such an active interest.
Let's go on out. You ready?
Yep. Okay, folks, we're about ready to leave the Applegate Zoo.
Hi, Foxy.
And Tangier is just chilling.
Ready? Walk, Mama.
I don't think she's in too much of a mood to walk, huh?
Getting tired.
Yeah, got a little high water pants there. All right. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
But they not high water. They just rolled up.
Uh-huh. Look up at the camera, Kanji. Hey. See, she's a professional. No matter what, she's a
Say hi to
professional.
the camera.
Hi. Hello. Hey, girl.
Say hey.
Hey.
Okay.
Yep. She's a professional no matter what. There's a pretty baby. Yeah.
Honey. Lie down. Okay. Oh, don't worry about it, Captain.
Come on.
Okay.
Let's go sit down. I have some food for you. Where do you want to sit at?
Yeah, it don't matter. On one of these benches around.
You gonna go ahead and put that away, or?
Yeah, I can put it away. All right. One more time. Hey. Yeah, I'll put it away for the time being. Okay, folks, we're going to sign off for the time being. Applegate Park in the sleepy little town of Merdad, California. And today's date is the 26th of March, 1995. And this is Tangier signing off there. Bye.
Say bye.
Yeah.